Okay guys, this is CS Sniper 1, and let me say this will definitely probably be the hardest audition that I've had to do. It's a lot higher pitch, and his little freaking thing that he does is ridiculous and probably raspy, like high pitched stuff, but I'm gonna give it a try. This is the audition for Birds. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna do this. Here we go. I'm quite glad that avaricious girl MM has been beaten. Now, calm down and look at this. Your friends are being targeted. My name is Birds. The images you see there are transmitted by the small cameras attached to my little birdies. You noticed them. They are twin hitmen loyal to me. Bloody twins. They look adorable, but were such ferocious serial killers in prison, they were not let out of solitary confinement even once. Just watch. They want to play with your friends so much they just can't help themselves. Nothing. As long as you obey me. Now, best not touch me. I won't be responsible for what happens to your friends. I can still give them commands. Your friends' lives are in my hands. You have no right to complain. So never touch me again, you fool! As long as you obey me, the two of them will be fine. Now let's begin. Let's see. I want you to be the bungalow Judah, May.